friends, Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here, and today I'm going to show you a haul. I actually have accumulated one from a few days, and I have them from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Ross, and Joann's, I think. So anyhow, here we go. I'm going to use the other camera and we're going to go for this, okay? Okay friends, so here we go. This is my haul from the Dollar Tree so far. I am going to be making birthday cards forever. I have a whole family calendar now with all their addresses starting January 1st. I'm going to be sending birthday cards to everybody. So I was trying to find some things for boys to go in the card and some things for girls. They're young enough. So I got these Jurassic World stickers. And I got this, and I figured either my grandbabies could play with this in the house, you know, or I could send them even just, I think the stickers just, yeah, they come on a page, or I could just, you know, cut out half a page of stickers or so. Then I got this one with friends, and it's got, let me just set this bag down. It's hard to do that. And so it has different places you can, I can't send the whole book because I want to be able to do it, just send it, just part of it in an envelope. So I would cut some of them out and send it that way, or I can use it at my house. Certainly for grandbabies to play with, that's for sure. Then I got, for older kids, I got some whoopee cushions. I thought I could stick those in the bag. And then I got some of these punch balloons that I could just take them out and put one in there to send that with a child. And I got one of these rolls of stickers. This one is just animals, but I figured I could pull off some, you know, off of just a whole several of them and fold it up and put it in with the cards also. And Minions, put a page of those in with a card. Thought those would be good. Got another whoopee cushion, a different color. And then I got these. These are pretty cool. I gotta show you this. I might mess the camera completely up, but I don't know if you saw these, but these are called Whack-A-Pack, and it is the coolest thing, and I'm going to be sending some of these in the mail. I think this is way fun. I did a couple of them. They're so fun. I thought, well, let's see. It's packaged in here pretty good. Oh my word. Let me get some scissors here. There's 4 packs in here, so I don't want to ruin it by cutting them. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, now you don't even take this out of the package or anything that I know of at all. And so I'm going to try to hold the camera, because all you do is you just take your fist and you just whack it. And look what happens. Look what happens. Look at that. And listen. There's something that releases in there and fills it up. And then they each come with one of these. Is that just so cool? It's kind of cold, so it releases a little. I just think that is the coolest little thing. Anyhow, so you put a deal in it, and then they can, you know, put a little string in it, and they can have it. How fun is that? I love those. So anyhow, I got some of those to go in with that. Now the next things I'm going to show you are crafting type things, because I'm getting ready to start doing some Christmas stuff. And I got some of these snowflakes. I'm going to actually glorify them with some of my stuff that I can put on top of them. And I needed some of these flowers, and I can color those with different inks or whatever. I can even use my Copic, you know, these type of things to color on there. I mean, we could just do one. Not that I would do an orange flower, but you never know, right? Just, you know, they can really take the color. You can use white gesso and different gessos on them. any color you want. You can add more colors. Yeah, so anyhow, you can make them any color you want. And then I got, I needed some glue sticks. I don't know if these are any good or not, but it doesn't hurt to have them. It was $1. And then they had this cork sheets, adhesive cork sheets. I thought those would look way cool for me making my different cards. Then they had these black felt and white felt, and I make my homemade, my own flowers, and I put felt on the back of them, and it's thin, but it's perfectly fine. And then even for Christmas, I thought I could use some of that on some of the cards and different things that I make. I don't really have a big idea for these right now, but I thought those were pretty cool to have. And I got the shorter ones and the longer ones. They had both of these at the Dollar Tree. I've certainly used those before. And then they had this pop dot tape. I don't know. I've never tried it before. So I don't know if it's... well, these are hard to get into, aren't they? Let's see. Ugh. Okay, so I think, okay, is it just foam tape? Oh, it's just foam tape. Just so that it makes your stuff stand up. These I thought would be pretty cool to put on some, you know, just different Christmas things where I have floral and just have a few of those glued on there. I thought those are pretty cool. They're pretty glitzy. Yeah. And I've put all the glitters up on my shelf, and I like all my stuff to look really good and really shabby chic. And some of the glitters that I put on shelf instead of down inside of a box, they just kind of get on my nerves. They don't look good. So I thought, what if I put them in something like this, and then I put some ribbons and bows and stuff. So I'm gonna try that. So I got 5 of them because I thought if nothing else, I can come up with some way cool, fun Christmas thing out of those. And speaking of Christmas, I went ahead and got me some picks because my husband has these boards that he uses on his projects, and then when he cuts the ends of them, he brings them home, and I'm going to make something out of that, and I'll show it to you when I make it. So I got, let's see, I got a long one, and then 1, 2, 3. I like the one with cotton for what I'm going to do. 4, oh, and I got a bag of the little pine cones, and they smell good too. 4, oh, I got 2 long ones and 4 small ones. And I have several projects I'm going to work on those. And then, I'm going to do some mailings, and I thought these would be way cool because of the colors of them. They're actually poster stickers. I don't know if they're going to be sticky enough, but I could always put some tape on them. But I thought those would be pretty to put on the outside of envelopes, possibly, for the address, so that it would just look a little bit snappier. And then I got this because I'm going to do a challenge where I needed something to look like an angel, and it may be a little bit too three-dimensional. So I thought I could actually break it in 2 and make it flatter. And then when I saw that one, I saw this rose gold one, and I thought, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I got those. If nothing else, I can hang them on my Shabby Chic Christmas tree. And then the other project that I'm going to use those picks with, I got this. I'm not terribly in love with this, but I think with what I'm going to do, it's going to look good. That's what I think. Then I got these. I'm going to use these on, I needed a kind of a flat thing, but I needed a Christmas tree, and I figured I could even break these branches off and use them. So, I mean, worst case scenario, whatever. I know I can use those. And I have a great big thing of tissue paper that I got at Costco, but it's out in my storage, and I just needed to have one here in my craft room, so that's why I grabbed that. And I love Minnie Mouse. I want to be a Minnie Mouse. And so I got this. We were laughing because I had a glass of wine in here the other day doing a craft, and I knocked it over and spilled a whole glass of wine. And my husband said, I'm going to have to get you one with a bigger bottom. So I thought, okay, if I have to, I can use this. So that's funny. I like ice water too. And they had these, I don't know. This, I thought, I think I might make a little globe, if nothing else, for one of my grandkids, because they would like that. So let's talk about these these clear balls. Now, when I came home, I thought, okay, I want to see if I could just make something really quick. And so I made this. I had a blouse that I really never wore. I kept trying to wear it, and I thought, I don't know, it just doesn't look right. So I decided to cut this decor off the front of the blouse. And so I just wrapped it around here, used wire, rubber band and wire, and then I just draped some pearls. I had some of this hanging crystal looking crystal stuff like this, and then I just happened to have a flower still laying up here from something else I had done, and I put a bow on it. I'm going to add a little bit more stuff to make this all go together, but I just grunched it together and put a lace at the top, and I wanted to add a little bit of pink and blush, and so I just whipped this up out of one of those out of these clear ball balls. So I'm going to make a bunch of Shabby Chic ones, so I thought that would be fun. Yeah. All right, and then there's a big one. Oh, the top must have come off. And here's another big one. I thought I would make big ones as well. Then I really thought these were way cool, because look at these little teeny tiny pine cones and stuff. And I needed some little ones. I always need pine cones. You can even just dump them in a dish and put a couple of balls in there. And just how cute is that? You know, just making it Christmassy. Whoops. Oh, here's the lid to the ball. And then I got these books. I don't know if they're going to work or not, but I thought, you know what? I think I'm going to do. I mean, they're just, I'm sure, just glued in and not stitched at all. I'm sure these are just little glued books, because I got them at the Dollar Tree, which really, it's the 9 fruits of the spirits, and it's kindness, and then this one happened to be joy. I actually picked them up because of their color. But what I was going to do, I was going to take each page, which these would be fun to read. I'm not saying that, but I thought I'll make little books for my grandbabies that say my book about me, and then I will glue different things to the pages. Things that they love, pictures of them, comments about them. So that's really why I bought these for $1. They look like a nice sturdy outside, and of course I will cover that anyhow, my book about me. But that's why I got those 2 books. All right, now, okay, and that was my complete haul from the Dollar Tree. So then the other day I had to go to Medford because my aunt, my 93-year-old aunt, fell and broke her hip, and so she went to the hospital, and then she ended up having a heart attack. So I've been going back and forth. Well, it's an 1.5-hour drive for me to go to Hobby Lobby, so I thought, well, hopefully while I'm there I'll get a chance to just buzz over and run to Hobby Lobby and see if I could find me some goodies there. So let me get my glittery stuff off of here. And I needed some flowers, and they had all of their florals. Now the Prima, I got a couple of Primas. They were not the ones that were on sale, but I did use my coupon. But all of these were on sale. All of these ones that say Paper Studio, any of this Paper Studio was half off. So any of this stuff, I got a bunch of these because I needed those in my stash of things. So I got tons and tons of these Paper Studios, and I thought this would be awful fun for Christmas, but I like to use these on a lot of my projects. And my cards, I love making the big 3D cards. Then they had even all these little spare parts. Anything that was Paper Studio, I think it was 50% off. But you know, honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think the receipts in here. I think they were like 60 or 70% off. And that's why now I did, oh, here it is right here. No, they were 50% off. Yeah, 50% off. There it is. And so I was able to get a bunch of these. Now the Prima ones, I thought these were in the same area that had marked. And so I think I ended up getting 3 packages of Prima. And I said, well, let's just keep them. And then I thought this was so fun. I got this. Paper Studio is 50% off as well. So it was $2. But I thought, how cute is that for a card? And then every year, and then I found these little washi tapes. I needed a little bit of washi tape. I don't have like a ton of washi tape. And even the way that I store my washi tape, I wrap a piece of ribbon around it, or lace or bows or whatever, and then I hang it up. I have this whole little line of deals to hang it on, and so I do that. And but I needed a little bit more glitzy ones there, that color scheme. And then I bought, oh, there's one more package of flowers. They had these in a bin, and these were all like $1. And so I thought, you know, I think I could like these for $1, because I could always put them on top of a box or whatever. I just grabbed 3 different ones. Now this, every year at Christmas I have a stocking for every one of my children, every one of my grandchildren, and I try to add stuff that means something about them. Like, depends if they're into princesses that year, or the year my daughter got married, I had a great big ring that had a diamond on it. That was I can't remember what it was really for, but anyhow, I hung that on there. When they got a new home, I had one that had their new home and their address, and when they were, some of them were CNAs or nurses, and then I put, the year that they completed that, I put some stuff on there representing that. Whatever, ballet slippers for some of the ones that do ballet. The ones that loved dinosaurs, I had dinosaurs, and I accumulate it, and I keep it going every year. Well, my son, he's a gun guy. He likes guns and stuff. So I saw this on there. These were all half off. And this was in the jewelry department. And I thought, how cute would that be on the stocking? I don't even know if he uses bullets like that, but I thought that'd be kind of cool. And then I saw this. This is just, and like for, if you go trying to find way cool Christmas ornaments, like one of my daughters is a postal worker, and so to order a postal worker ornament that would work on her stocking, I mean, sometimes they're $20. Well, this was $2. I thought it was so cute. And then this, I think this is honestly an ink pen, and it was all of them were half off. So this was $8. So this was $4. But I thought, how cute is that for one of the ones that likes shotguns and stuff? But like I said, I think it's an ink pen. It's got the top on there, so, but it's pretty cute. So I thought that's what I got. And then my business is Pamela Shepherd Productions, and at the top I'm just getting my business cards printed. I always use black and white, stripe it, and then down below I have flowers and florals and stuff, and then it says up here it says PSP, then Pamela Shepherd Productions. So I'm going to be sending, when I send different things, I'm going to use this bag, and then I have my wax seal that I'll be putting on the back of those. So that was my big haul at Hobby Lobby. My camera completely stopped, so thank goodness I was at the end of the haul. And I just wanted to thank every one of you for coming and sharing this time with me. I just love all of you so much, and just all my subscribers, and I'm just getting so excited. And anyhow, thanks for sharing with me today. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to, please subscribe to the channel. And you just have a blessed, wonderful day, and we'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.